The most innovative engineering solutions, highly qualified personnel, unique technologies, and a friendly working environment, you'll find it all in the company BD Sensors. Our large company premises are located at the foot of the Buchlow Hills, in an industrial area outside the small town of Buchlovice, which is close to the best-known landmark in the whole region, the medieval castle of Buchlow. The company was founded in 1993 with the ambition of becoming a leading and reliable supplier of electronic pressure measurement devices. We have undergone rapid and dynamic development since then. Nowadays, around 300 employees work in branches located in the Czech Republic, Germany, Slovakia, Russia, and China. The consolidated turnover of the BD Sensors Group regularly reaches several tens of millions of euro. For over 25 years, we've been successfully developing, manufacturing and supplying pressure and level sensors for a wide range of applications. Especially in the food industry, the chemical and paper industry, the pharmaceutical industry and medical facilities, construction for machinery and equipment, the energy and gas industry, water management, and the extraction of raw materials and transportation equipment. Starting with 4 basic types of sensors, we've increased our portfolio to 80 types, which are now available in more than 5,000 different versions. In addition to basic sensors manufacturing, we also deliver specially designed sensors in accordance with the unique requirements of each customer, also in small series. All our products have been developed under the supervision of highly qualified experts from the Research and Development Department. We always try to be innovative and to be one step ahead. Because of that, we collaborate with universities on a number of complex projects. In the company, we've established a number of protective measures in order to maintain a high quality of our products. For instance, we are holders of all the significant certificates. To maintain high quality, we use the SAP system, which controls all of the company processes. The materials and semi-finished products for all the manufacturing sensors are stored in automated storage systems called Cardex. Before being stored, all of the materials go through detailed incoming inspection. Electronic units undergo temperature cycles in the climatic chamber. Using well-functioning quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001:2016, we are able to achieve a very low proportion of defects during the assembly process. The percentage of claims is lower than 0.15%, as well as a high level of reliability, 200,000 hours without a fault per device. We always provide our customers with special technical and service support before and after purchasing. Post-warranty servicing is a must for us. We have an accredited calibration laboratory for pressures up to 400 megapascals. In the laboratory, we're able to perform the verification and calibration of the devices, both for the purposes of our company and for external customers. We actively participate in various international trade fairs, which set trends in our branch. For many years, you've been able to see a noticeable BD Sensors stand at various important fairs, not only in the Czech Republic, but also abroad. Most of the manufactured mechanical parts are made using CNC machines. Functional parts of sensors are worked with an accuracy to 0.02 of a millimeter. Dimensions of elements are checked using the 3D coordinate measuring system Renishaw and the digital profile projector Keyence. Measurement tools such as slide calipers, micrometers and altimeters are wirelessly interconnected for the purposes of data gathering, processing and giving feedback to CNC operators. Our products are manufactured in an environmentally friendly way, for instance, in processing metal chips. In 2018, new and high-performance robotic centers, which are used to manufacture a large series of mechanical components, such as housings for pressure sensors, were put into operation. Mainly plasma welding, laser welding, and arc welding are used during production. This is why we achieve a superior surface quality of a 20 micrometer thick stainless diaphragm with a robust pressure port. This allows sensors to be used for the most precise hygienic applications in the medical, pharmaceutical, and food industries. One of our best-selling sensors is the pressure sensor with a semiconductor strain gauge chip. In order to achieve excellent metrological parameters, especially long-term stability, we plug the chips into a hermetic enclosure with a stainless steel diaphragm. Those processes are conducted inside clean rooms, class 20.000/100. Every day, the laser welding machine is capable of welding up to 620 micrometer thick diaphragms, including sensor housings. The following procedure is to attach the chip to the base and interconnect it with base pins using gold wire, which is 4 times thinner than a human hair. In order to transfer pressure from the stainless sensor's diaphragm to the chip diaphragm, the inner space in the vacuum is filled with inert oil. The sensor's inner space is then closed by a ball, which is welded to the base using a current impulse. The parameters of all the sensors are then measured thoroughly using automatic test equipment. Measured values are then processed and attached to the serial number of individual sensors. The numbers are archived to improve linearity and reduce thermal errors. Our sensors can be used in devices with an accuracy range of up to 0.05% for the most difficult types of measurement, such as pressure measurement in the power and gas sector, as well as in the testing industry. In the year 2000, we started to produce capacitive pressure sensors with a ceramic diaphragm. For design purposes, patent-protected solutions were used. In collaboration with a partner company, we became one of the 3 world producers of sensors of such types. The diaphragm is made of pure corundum ceramics with a polished surface. This ensures superb chemical and mechanical resistance as well as high sensitivity. Measuring devices that contain this type of sensor are especially useful for low-pressure measurements in aggressive and abrasive media in the power sector, the chemical industry, in raw materials extraction, shipbuilding, and wastewater treatment. The production of final sensors is custom-made. Assembly workplaces are divided according to groups of products. We are able to deliver the final sensors within 5 to 10 days from the date of order. In 2017, s.r.o, the Czech Space Research Center, which specializes in developing and manufacturing electronic modules for space applications, became part of the BD Sensors group of companies. Thanks to this collaboration, BD Sensors Space was created, which continues successfully to build the position of an important player in the Czech and European space industry. But now let's get back down to earth. In BD Sensors, we care about employees' satisfaction. We are convinced that this is the right way to reach a high quality of product. Our friendly environment and vineyards, where we make our own wine, contributes to the peaceful atmosphere in South Moravia. The collection of wine can be tasted in our company's wine cellar. We are also interested in supporting the region and its surroundings. For instance, we work closely with the Skansen Hotel and Center of Slovak Traditions in the village of Modra. The vision and strategy of BD Sensors includes mainly working on innovative solutions under the concept of Industry 4.0 in collaboration with universities and scientific centers. Equally important for us is maintaining a leading position in the industry and strengthening long-standing good customer relations. BD Sensors, pressure measurement for the most challenging technologies and the space industry.